In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a file available offline. If you've ever stepped onto a flight into a basement office or anywhere with spotty internet and still needed to work, this quick setup in Google Drive will save you a lot of stress. By the end, you'll be able to open and edit selected Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides without a connection, and your changes will sync automatically the next time you're online. First, open Google Drive and head into Settings. You'll find the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the Drive home screen and selecting Settings. This is where you control how Drive behaves on your current device and browser profile. Make sure you're doing this on the computer you plan to use offline, since these preferences apply per device and per browser. Inside Settings, look for the Offline section and check the box that enables offline access. You'll see wording that confirms this will let you create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides on this device while offline. When you turn this on, Drive begins preparing your recent files in the background, saving what it needs locally. Give it a little time to finish. Larger or more numerous files may take a moment to cache. This feature uses some storage space on your device, and it only affects Google file types, Docs, Sheets, and Slides, so keep that in mind as you plan what you want at your fingertips. Now return to your Drive file list and choose the specific items you absolutely want available, even if they're not considered recent. Right-click a file and toggle Available Offline. This ensures that particular document, spreadsheet, or presentation is stored on the device, so you're not relying on the recent list alone. You can repeat this for as many files as you need and turn it off later if you want to free up space. Look for a small offline indicator next to the file name to confirm it's ready. Once this is set, you can open and edit those files without internet access. Work as you normally would. Your edits are saved locally and then synced to the cloud as soon as the connection returns. Stick to the same browser and account you used to enable offline mode so everything lines up correctly. That's all there is to it. Enable offline in Google Drive settings, then mark the files you care about as available offline. Thanks for watching and enjoy staying productive wherever you are.